Yes, sir! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we are gonna be painting the block on the K24. In the last video, we painted the transmission, so it's pretty much gonna be the same steps, but we're gonna go over it, man. We're gonna be painting the block, but before, we gotta tear down the engine. So, let's get in the video, man. Let's go, let's get it. Alright guys, I'm just going to show you guys real quick. We got 3 nuts that we have to remove here in the front, 3 in the back, and then 1 in the middle. And you have the 4 bolts that we have to remove from the coil packs. So now I'm going to take off the cover first. Have a prior, just pry it on the side. It's just kind of held down by obviously all the bolts, but it's just a head gasket around, and then it's pretty much easy to get off. So as you guys can see, the inside of the head is pretty good, man. It looks really clean. It doesn't look like it's all dirty or anything. It looks nice and smooth. So I'm pretty glad that I got this engine from JDM California. Okay guys, and to brush it out, we have the drill, and we also have these brushes here. They go in the drill, so you turn it on and obviously you start clean it out. And you have a hand brush too to get like the small areas, but for the most part I use this one. It goes well like in most of the areas of the block. But yeah, you can find these at any hardware store for the most part. You know, Riley's have them, Ace Hardware have them, Harbor Freight have them, and yeah, you're just gonna need a drill and these, and we're gonna let's go. guys, so for the primer, you have the Transstar 4603. This one you can find it at O'Reilly's and AutoZone, I believe. But for sure O'Reilly's is gonna have it. It's about like, I'd say probably like 15 bucks around there. It's around like $15, 15 to 20. But yeah, you can find the primer right there. We are also gonna be using the VHT flame-proof paint. Now I like this one because it really makes it look like it's not too shiny. It's kind of like a satin type of color, but it's supposed to be like from 13 to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is the one that we use for the transmission, so we're gonna be using for this one too. But most of the time it's for like the headers and stuff, because you know they get hella hot. But hey, why not? We're just gonna be using that one. And for the clear, we're also gonna be using VHT flame-proof satin clear. You guys know I couldn't find a matte finish, so satin is the closest I could get. I don't like the gloss, so we're gonna be using the same. It's also the same thing, 1300 to 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, and it does give it a little good satin finish, man. Like whenever everything is done, like you guys are gonna see the difference. And honestly, like it looks very good. But this is what we're using. Primer, I guess we put it in order. The primer, paint, and the clear. All right, let's get it, boys. Now it's time for the satin clear. You know, as you saw, we did the primer, we did the paint already. I think I'm probably gonna throw like 3 coats of the clear and call it a day. All right, guys, this is our block before we started painting it and we started working on it. As you can see, it's super dirty. It definitely needed a hand, you know? It needed a little lift, you know what I mean? And this is our block now. Look at the big difference, man. Just look at the difference. It's like night and day. Hopefully, if you guys are following this step-by-step guide, hopefully that it comes out the way that mine came out, because it's just so much better, man. I'm super happy with the outcome. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.